What's up? Welcome back. This is your boy Kenyatta, and this is another video in our full stack series here with the MERN stack. And in this video, we're going to quickly set up our model for our movie database. All right, so let's get started. First thing we need to do is create a folder that houses all of our models. Well, in this case, we're only going to have one model, but still we need a folder. So I'm going to say new folder, model. And then inside of here, we'll create a file, new file. And we'll call it movie.js. All right, models, the best convention is you will usually name them as a singular item. So movie or user or whatever the case may be. And the plural versions will be used when you're dealing with like the controllers or routes, things of that nature. So all of our models will be singular. I like to capitalize my folders for those, or my files. So that's why you see I have capital M for movie. All right, movie.js. Now, with that being said, we need to go ahead and create a model. If we refer back to the, let me pull it up here. Refer back to our Mongoose.js. They show you the basic schema of, it's the basic style of the schema, like how it should look. Okay. Again, I always want to show you guys the resources, how to do these things. So along as that way, because if I type it, yeah, you will learn it, but I want you to know where to find it, and just in case, you wanted to create something months down the line and you forgot how it was done. Okay. Restore my pages here. All right. So here, if you go click on schema, this right here is the basic schema. All right, this is what it requires. Okay, so you require Mongoose. You set up the schema, which is mongoose.schema, and then you name your schema and put in your properties. All right, everything that you need. Okay, so we can basically keep going with that. I'm just gonna, to speed up time, I'm just gonna go ahead and just copy this over and just change the things I need to change. So this right here will actually be movie schemas. Okay, so movie schema, and then you can take all the stuff out. We don't need that. So what we do need is a title for the movie. So that will be type. So what you have is you name it, right? Give it a property, so title, and you give it a type. So this will be a type of string, capitals. Next thing we'll need would be description. Also type string. And then for now, we'll just give it a release year, and that will be type number. All right, again, if you're not sure what data types you can use, they're right here on the same page. Okay, so this is where I'm getting the data types from. All right, cool. Let me blow this up just a little bit so you can see it better. All right, hope it looks a little better for you guys. Anyways, so we create our basic model. We have title, description, and the release year. So now we need to go ahead and export the schema. So first we'll put it as a variable. So const movie. We'll set it to a mongoose dot model, and then in here we're going to say movie, and then we're going to reference the movie schema we just created. And then after that, we're going to say module.export movie. Okay, so now we can use it anywhere else in our system here. Okay, so this is a pretty short video here on the model. That's all we needed here. In the next video, we're gonna go ahead and set up our controllers that will handle the logic between each route. Okay, so see you in the next video.